teacher Michelle. Let me read to you her questions. Number 1. Explain what happens with the water. Number 2. Why does the water condense on the top beneath the ice cubes? Number 3. What will happen with the water beneath the ice? And last, number 4. Explain the process that you observed during the experiment. So I have these materials to answer my challenge. I have big bowl, small bowl, ice, plastic wrap, and hot water. Let me show to you the procedure. First, put a small bowl in the center of the